This November, it's all about the ultimate Black Friday upgrade event at Bean Chevrolet Buick GMC. We're rolling out incredible deals every day this month on over 250 vehicles in stock, giving you the chance to drive home the new or certified pre-owned GM model of your dreams while saving big. Start by accessing your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash we have set aside to buy pre-owned vehicles of all brands from vehicle owners in the Ottawa Valley area. Click on the Make Me an Offer Now button and unlock an exciting offer and your share of the Black Friday trade-in cash, and leave with the perfect ride at a price you'll love. Kicking off our Black Friday extravaganza is GM's employee pricing on Chevy and GMC HD trucks, as well as Tahoe, Yukon, and Suburban. After years of no discount on these hot vehicles, you can select them at the same unbeatable price that GM employees pay. It's like a Black Friday party featuring the savings you've been waiting for. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of a brand new Silverado, Sierra HD, or an eligible full-size SUVs like the Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon with up to $10,700 in cash discounts. Think of it as hitting the high score in savings while cruising home in your dream vehicle. For those who want to save on interest rates, our Canada-wide clearance event is here to deliver. Whether it's zero interest for up to 72 months on approved credit or up to $8,500 in cash credit on select models, our Black Friday deals are designed to keep more money in your pocket while you ride in style. And if going electric is on your mind, our dealership has the perfect Black Friday combo with 0% finance rates for up to 72 months on approved credit for select models, up to $5,000 from the government, and an additional $1,200 bonus for eligible Costco members. Your electric future starts here. But that's not all. We're adding even more excitement. Let us make you an offer for your current vehicle, and you'll unlock your share of the $1 million we have set aside in trade-in cash to buy quality pre-owned vehicles of all brands from vehicle owners like you. It's the perfect time to trade in and trade up this Black Friday season. Don't miss out on these unbeatable Black Friday deals. Head over to Bean Chevrolet Buick GMC this November, where every click of the Make Me an Offer Now button brings you closer to your next new GM. Get your share of the $1 million, and let's turn your automotive dreams into reality with the best Black Friday deals in the Ottawa Valley. Your next great adventure starts here with your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash and exclusive Black Friday offers only at Bean Chevrolet Buick GMC.